everybody. It's Green Family Garden here. And today, guys, we are out here working as a family, trimming palm trees, okay? And I'm using my handy dandy steel pole saw. All right, now guys, I'm gonna show you what they're looking like. We just trimmed off the top, and what we're gonna do, because I haven't done this in about 5 years, is I'm gonna clean out, I'm gonna score the bottoms off. All of this, we're gonna shake this off, all of the ferns that are growing up inside of here. We're gonna clean all of this out because what happens, there's a lot of insects that reside inside of these palm trees, okay? Especially using mulch at the bottom. So that's one of our coronaviruses projects since we're quarantined. We're gonna just work on the yard. All right, guys, we're gonna get to it. Stay blessed. Honey, I'm gonna pull the truck around so we can load all this stuff up, okay? guys, right, if you're using this, I left my gloves in the back. If you grab it right here, you'll never get poked. You don't ever want to grab it down on that end. That's where you'll get poked. All right, guys, it's been a long day. So we're gonna end it up with you guys. Pardon my eye, something stuck me in. Wear proper eyewear. Look at my eye. Anyway, guys, this is one of our palm trees here. I didn't scorch it down to the earth, all right? But what you guys wanna do is whenever you're gonna prune your palm trees, wait until after the winter. The reason we haven't done it is because the almanac actually said that it was predicted we were gonna get a lot of cold weather. So what happens, I'm gonna walk in here and show you guys. As time goes on, all of these old parts of the tree, it acts as a frost blanket. So actually the cold can't get inside of the tree to actually kill it. I protect my roots with the mulch, okay? Now with this particular island bed here, since Coronas is around, all right, I'm gonna have my, oh, actually, stay right there. I'm gonna show you guys something. See all these avocados? I probably get a box of these every few months, okay? And they just grow and turning into these, okay? So again, that was one reason I didn't prune them, because I didn't protect these during the winter months. So that way the canopy actually blocked these, and that's why they're still alive, okay? Also, this is gonna be in another video, but since I'm back here, I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a sneak peek of what I'm doing. Now, these are gonna come out, all right? These won't be here, so overlook these. These are for the bull's garden, and I got a few others somewhere else. We have a tomato challenge going on, guys. We're gonna see who can grow the best tomatoes this year, okay? Also, we should see Bull's Garden. Oh, Diva Jones, thank you, girl. So what we're gonna do is, my son's up there acting a mule. I wonder about him sometime. Anyway, lost my train of thought. All right, what I'm doing right here, sneak peek again, sneak peek, guys. If you follow here, this is corn. Maybe don't show them too much now. I don't want nobody to get ideas from me. They steal my plan. This entire perimeter, there's corn growing up. So you figure the corn's gonna come up about yay high to keep, and inside we have some collard greens growing, okay?
Hit your eye.
Yeah, it's trying to hit the same eye. Take out my eye. So that's what I'm doing, okay? I have a few watermelon in there. Thinking about transplanting them. Not really sure yet on what I'm going to do. But as you can see right here, all of these, this is corn all around here. It's gonna be beautiful when it's done. All right, that's it for right now, guys. I don't want to give out my ideas because I know Bull's Garden will watch my video and copy my style. But anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Fertilize your palm trees, Epsom salt, manganese, and malorganite. That's what I've used for years, guys. And as you can see, how lush, and compost. I've used it for years. No special, like a pound per plant 2 to 3 times a year. It should do you well, okay? May God bless each and every one of you. You breathing hard, you might got corona. All right, may God bless each and every one of you.